Turns' pickup and delivery feature is a powerful tool for streamlining your entire laundromat business. With the route management feature, you can create multiple routes throughout the locality and assign riders, allowing your small local laundromat business to grow rapidly. It is a growth feature for those who already run a pickup and delivery service but want to improve their management capabilities or start a pickup and delivery service in order to increase customer acquisition in the local region and grow their laundromat business. To enable the feature, navigate to your Business Manager application and search for routes in the sidebar menu. Click the Create Route button to set up multiple routes for your local laundromat business at a time. You need to fill out all the information with a star above it. Create a route name such as Local 1. Choose your store name, Ecolux Laundry. Now, choose your store's starting route time for the day, 10 a.m. That day's route ended at 4 p.m. Set your starting and ending routes for days you intend to run, such as Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Choose an on-demand route. Choose a driver name like EcoDrive, and leave the route to pick up. For this route fee setup example, we assume the fee is $3. The LBS count is limited to 5 pounds. And set the pickup count to 9 stops. Then set the amount count to 5 bags. The turnaround time can be 24 hours. You can choose whether or not to display timing in the Fleet application. For this example, we select No. Enter your zip code, which for this demo is 96199. For the route description, we can include any special details that will assist the driver in operating efficiently, such as leaving the laundry at the security. Press Create to activate the setup. You may now make the geofence simply by drawing a circle on the map. For this example, we'll use the Draw a Circle tool to represent the state of Portland in the United States. We will choose the southwest area of Portland. Place the cursor on a point on the map, then click and stretch to the area where you want to build the geofence. Alternatively, using the polygon, make a geofence shape around your location. Press Create to activate the setup. We now look at the customer application, which allows laundry customers to order pickup and delivery services. We enter a phone number to sign up, and you will receive a one-time 4-digit OTP. Share your location, including zip code, with the driver to ensure a seamless pickup and delivery. On the homepage, select Pickup Request. Choose the services and things that you want to get. The service and materials can be tailored to your laundromat needs. For this tutorial, we'll select 2 services, dry cleaning and shoe laundry. First, we will select Dry Clean Service and Woman. Then select a shirt by pushing the Add button, and if you want to add more items, press the Add Items button each time. For the purposes of this demonstration, we will take 4 items. You can even add preferences. For the demonstration, we used fabric freshener. For the second service, we select Shoe Laundry and press Add again to add 2 things. Now, select your preferred date and time for pickup and delivery. For pickup, we choose the 9th of May Friday and time of 10 a.m. to 12:45 p.m. We may schedule delivery in the same way that we do pickup. Press Next to proceed to the order review screen. Scrolling allows the customer to review their order, address, pickup/delivery schedule date, and time. They can use coupons that have been assigned to them. The customer can check and apply coupons by pressing My Coupon. When customers scroll down, they can leave remarks such as, "Please take the laundry from security." When you've finished everything, press the Proceed button. Your order has been placed. Customers can view their order information for active orders. The customer's new order will be alerted on both the point of sale system and the Fleet application simultaneously on the notification tab. Using the map in the Fleet program, the driver can navigate to the pickup location. The Fleet application contains all of the customer's information, such as their address, phone number, and order details. After arriving at the location, the driver can pick up the laundry and exchange images with the business manager and point of sale system. Now, at the point of sale, the order will be found in the Pickup Delivery Request section and registered as a pickup request. After a thorough assessment of the laundry, the pickup request can be transformed to a to-do. When an order is on the to-do list, navigate to the Order Hub and the dashboard of the Point of System application. As you can see, the laundry or dry cleaning procedure is divided into 3 stages: to-do, processing, and delivery. You can now see the order in to-do. When you start processing the clothes, drag the card with the order ID to processing, and when you're done, drag it to pickup ready for delivery. When an order is ready for pickup and delivery, the Fleet application receives a notification. When an order is ready for delivery, a notification is sent to the Fleet application. The driver can now check their delivery schedule and deliver at the customer's preferred time. So, here is the entire setup and process for launching a pickup and delivery service using the Turns application. I hope the pickup and delivery demo has inspired you to start your own service in your community. For more information, please visit turnsapp.com, follow us on social media, or send us an email at support@turnsapp.com.